Hello students, I'm Anshu Batra, TGT English from KV number 1 Itanagar, and today I am there with you to discuss about lesson 2, The Sound of Music from class 9th Beehive book. Dear students, this motivational chapter is written by Deborah Cowley. Dear students, she was born in 1806 and she passed away in 1849 at the age of 43. She was an Ottawa-based writer and a broadcaster and had been a successful writer of her period. And The Sound of Music is an inspirational piece of work by her, where she presents the description of two greatest musicians. Today, we will do part 1. So let's see the introduction of the chapter. The Sound of Music is a chapter which enables the readers to learn about the interesting lives of the two musical legends. One part is about the Scottish musician Evelyn and the other is about Indian legend Bismillah Khan. So today we will see part 1 of this chapter. Dear students, part 1 is about Evelyn Glennie, who listens to sound without hearing it. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. She has attained mastery over almost 1,000 musical instruments, despite being hearing impaired. She learned to feel music through the body instead of hearing it through the ears. Dear students, someone has commented this about Evelyn, that although God took away her hearing power, she was impaired, but He gave her an extraordinary thing, and that was the sense of feeling. She could feel very deeply, far more deeply than the normal people. And that is why she was able to express music so beautifully. Evelyn could not hear, and this was a bigger challenge for her. Moving from a rural area to a fast life was a smaller challenge. But Evelyn faced a much bigger challenge. That was her inability to hear. When Evelyn was 11-year-old, it was discovered that she had lost her hearing power due to nerve damage. The specialist advised that she wear hearing aids and be sent to a school for deaf. On the contrary, Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life and follow her interest in music. Dear students, it was first time when she was 8 years old that her mother noticed that there is something wrong with her, and gradually she lost her hearing power completely. The specialist had advised her to wear hearing aids. Here, what are hearing aids? As you can see in the image, hearing aids are the electronic devices which people wear in their ear or behind their ear when they have hearing problem, right? It helps in this way in increasing the sound. She became deaf. She was sent to a school for deaf, right? Although she was discouraged by her teachers, her potential was noticed by master percussionist Ron Forbes. He guided Evelyn to feel music some other way than to hear it through her ears. This worked well for Evelyn, and she realized that she could sense different sounds through different parts of her body. Here, potential means what? Our hidden abilities, qualities, right? Which are present inside us. And what is percussionist? Percussionist means a person who plays the drum, the tabla, or any such instrument which is played with the help of stick, like xylophone. Okay, and once it so happened that she noticed a girl who was playing a xylophone, and when she watched this, she also wished in her heart that she should also play xylophone. But her teachers discouraged her. And in spite of all this, students, she did not give up. She made a firm decision that she would definitely play xylophone. And I believe that this is also true, that when everywhere we are feeling alone, no one is there for us, there is God. And God was there in the form of Ron Forbes, who was the master percussionist. I told you percussionist means a person who plays drum, right? It was Ron Forbes who taught Evelyn to respond to different sounds. She was not able to hear, right? But she was having a sense of sounds. She felt sounds with different parts of her body, right? She realized that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. In this way, Evelyn's body parts started feeling different vibrations and intonations of the sound. So it was Ron Forbes who filled the positivity in Evelyn, and she made her dreams true. Once she had overcome this hurdle, Evelyn began her career in music. She got admission in the Royal Academy of Music, London, and scored the highest marks in the history of the Academy. Evelyn says that hard work and dedication towards her goal helped her achieve success. Evelyn gives solo performances and even gives free concerts for hospitals and schools. In the year 1991, she won the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Evelyn's story is an inspiration for the differently abled who are motivated to fill their dreams like she did. So, dear students, how inspirational story it was. I hope you all get inspiration by Evelyn and work hard to fulfill your dreams. Nothing is impossible. Evelyn teaches us in this lesson. Dear students, do read the full chapter from your NCERT book Beehive and get help from the difficult words and the meanings which I have presented in this slide. Enjoy the chapter and get inspiration. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for listening me patiently.